Welcome back to microeconomics class. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to graph the market equilibrium by solving this question written on the board. The question goes thus: if the demand and supply functions of a product are given as, we have the demand function dd equals q equals 20 minus 2p, then supply function q equals 6p minus 12. Then we are asked A, to determine the equivalent price and quantity. B, we are then asked to graph the answer we got in A. So how do we solve this problem? It's very simple. What you need is just to pay attention and follow some steps. So here is the solution. So we'll be starting with question A here. So A, we are asked to determine the equivalent price and quantity. So whenever you are asked to determine the equivalent price and quantity, you are going to state the equilibrium condition. It is this condition that will guide you on what to do. You know, in the equilibrium, the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. So, in the equilibrium, so we state that condition. In the equilibrium, we know that the quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. And this represents our quantity demanded. So we are going to put that we have 20 minus 2p equal the quantity supplied. What is the quantity supplied? This represents quantity supplied. We have 6p minus 12. Then we collect the like times here. We have 20. We take this minus 12 to this side. It becomes plus 12. Then equal. We have 6p here. Then we take this minus 2p to this side, gone 2 plus 2p. Then when we add this together, we have 32 equal. We have the 6p plus 2p, we have 8p. Then we divide both sides by the equation of p, which is 8. Then we have 32 over 8 equal p equals p. Then we have 30 divided by 8, that is 4, which is equal to p. Therefore, p equals 4. P is the equilibrium price. What are the equilibrium quantities? So to get our equilibrium quantity, we are going to substitute the equilibrium price, according PE, into either of demand function or supply function. Whether we substitute it into demand function or into supply function, we are going to get the same answer. So I'm going to use demand function, so you can try supply function on your own and compare your answer. Definitely, you are going to get the same result. So the equilibrium price. So substitute P equal 4 into this demand function. In other words, we have Q equals 20 minus 2P. That's the demand function. Then we have Q equals 20 minus 2. The value of our P is 4. Then we have 20 minus 8. 2 times 4, that is 8, which is equal to 20 minus 8, we have 12. Therefore, equilibrium quantity is 12. Okay, while the equilibrium price is 4. So we are good to go. So we know the equilibrium price is 4 and the equilibrium quantity is 4. So what the next thing to do? We need to depict this graphically. Okay, to depict that graphically, so we can just, okay, I'm going to clean this because of space now. Okay, so we are going to do that. Let me clean here. Okay, so we know that we want to graph the result now. We know that the equilibrium price and quantity, I can just graph like this by writing the price origin, the quantity. Then I draw the demand curve. This is the demand curve. Then I also draw the supply curve. And this is where they are equal. The intersection of demand curve and supply curve. And this point is the equilibrium. So the equilibrium price is 8, which is 4, while the quantity is 8, which is 12. So this is how to graph this. Okay.